Hello mga kalaki. Guys, I have here a 2019 Escalade. Look at that. Escalade. I have to remove the bumper. So I have to remove the bumper. Now we're going to replace the hood, but I'm not going to show you. Just going to show you how to replace or remove the bumper. Okay guys? Escalade Cadillac. First things first, open the hood, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 clips that you have to remove. It's not that really hard, it's just a push clip, guys. See that? Okay, just finish the whole way and it's good to go. Just to remove this top cover. So, okay. And then once the cover is out, there's like 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 wheel that you have removed. Okay. Yung hose pero may butas pa rin. May butas na yung hose. Sinabi mo may butas.
Sinabi ko na kayo. Hindi ko sinabi sa kanya.
So guys, on the driver's side fender, there's a 7 mil here. Yet. There. And then there's 7. So there's total of 3, 7 mil. And then there's another one here. Push clips right here. 1 and 2. Move it. I hope you guys see it. I know you can. Remember kayo sa akin guys para makabili ako ng GoPro na 4K. Yeah, this push clips, and then whatever I do on the driver's side, it's gonna be identical or it's the same as the other side. Okay guys, so on the fender on the other side there's also 1, 2, 3 7 mil bolts, and there's 2 push clips. Okay, once this thing is out, we're gonna go underneath. I know there's 3 or 6, 7, 10 millimeter under the bottom. Okay. Okay. Here we go, guys. Push. There you go. One more there. Pull out the top. Yeah. There we go. and you can pull the whole head. Yeah, that's the clip. Okay. So guys, we're in the bottom of the vehicle. As you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, and then there's another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, total of 4, 10 mil. And then there's a Christmas tree clips right here that you have to remove. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, take this off. One, 2. Okay guys, this is just on the driver's side. So whatever I have here on the driver's side, it's gonna be the same on the passenger side. Okay guys. Okay. And how about this Christmas tree clip? This one. Pull the fucking thing. There you go. Use the pry tool. Any pry tool can. See, that's why we call it the Christmas tree clip. Look like a Christmas tree. Chuk, 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 chuk. See? Now you can remove the whole bumper. But we have to do same thing as the other side. Okay? So when you're removing the bumper, hold the whole thing and shake it really slowly. Okay? There's one more I tell you for removing it. After you remove all the bolts and 2 more main that's holding. I can't put it in right here. This push the end of the vehicle pop out. One pop out. There you go. And then there's another. There you go. Then you can be able to remove the whole bumper. This is what I'm talking about. Like that. Okay guys. Okay.